Welcome drinks. Wow, Popsy, have a birthday cake.
Yes.
Ayan pa, may kanta ka pa, oh. Wait. These are... ano ko ba naman? This is our room. Wow, Popsy. King size bed siya, oh. Ganda. Ito yata yung bathroom. Nasa lang ano? Ayun ang ano. With chairs at saka side tables. And happy birthday. Happy birthday, Popsy pa rin. Although it's also Christine's birthday today. Happy birthday, Tin and Cathy too. Thank you, Danielle and Erica.